What do you get if you combine the amazing benefits of the bump dot with intelligent universal icon design? Well, you get HALOS. Hey guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to The Blind Life, where I help you learn how to live your best blind life. This is the channel where we feature all things vision loss and especially new, amazing, cutting-edge assistive technology. If that kind of content sounds good to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications, because I upload content just like this every single Saturday. Today, though, we are talking about HALOS, H-A-L-O-S. HALOS is the next evolution of the bump dot. Now, if you're asking yourself right at the beginning, okay, wait a minute, what are bump dots? Bump dot, or a tactile dot, is a small adhesive-backed sticker that is tactile. Generally, it feels like a tiny little bump, but they can come in various sizes, shapes, and colors. Some are square, some are round, but they come on a sticker sheet, you peel them off, and you place them on something important to add a tactile element to that thing to indicate this is something important. Some of the most helpful places that we use them are on appliances, especially things like microwaves, washing machines, ovens. Well, you can stick a bump dot on there to help you find those buttons just by touch. Bump dots are fantastic, but you only have a couple of different ways to customize the bump dots. Now, you could use different color bump dots or even different shaped bump dots. But as I mentioned before, there isn't a wide variety of shapes, or at least, although there is a bit of a variety of shapes available, it's not the widest variety. But like I said before, what if we implement internationally identifiable icon design into the bump dot? For example, the start is a triangle. The stop is an X. The popcorn button maybe looks like a piece of popcorn. The schnozberries taste like schnozberries, right? I think you see where I'm going here. Well, that is what the HALOS have done. They have taken universal icon design and turned them into tactile bump dots. And the new term for all of this, tactile icons. There are several packs available in the HALOS line of tactile icons, and you guys are going to love this. Most of these packs are only about $6 for the pack. And each pack you get I think 18 or 19 different icons. $6, guys. That is awesome. So let's go through some of these just so you guys can see what is available. The packs are categorized as what they are for. So you'll have like a microwave pack. You'll have an oven pack. There's a home pack that has a variety of items for different elements in your home, like the microwave, like the oven, like the washing machine, things like that. So for example, the oven pack here, you have icons to indicate the start, the stop, bake, broil. And these icons, once again, they're internationally recognized icons. So this is going to be great for both non-visual and visual users. So for example, the bake has this squiggly line with squiggles coming off the top and the bottom, indicating that heat is coming from the top and the bottom when you bake. The broil is the same icon, except that the squiggles are only coming off one side, indicating that broil is only heating from the top down. I know that's probably not the best description, but just go with me here. The power up and power down are arrows up and down. The clock looks like an analog clock icon. And then you have an icon for cleaning, like the self-cleaning, and that just looks like a diamond shape. So that's your oven. Where's microwave? Microwave, we also have the start and the stop, which the start is a right-facing triangle, kind of like a play button, because that's universally recognized as starting or play. The stop is an X. Power level is this, it looks like stairs icon, indicating different levels of power. Add time is a plus. This, I love this. The icon for the popcorn button looks like a piece of popcorn. The icon for the baked potato button looks like a potato. Because, I mean, why wouldn't it? Right? That just makes sense. We have defrost, and that is a drop, like a water drop. And then the timer is an hourglass shape. I think that's all of, oh wait, no, there's also a pizza, slice of pizza for a pizza button. My microwave doesn't have a pizza button, so I would probably use that for the reheat button. That's what's great about this. Of course, you don't have to use the icons as they are specifically meant to be used. For example, I have a 30-second button on my microwave, and so I use the plus symbol for the 30-second button. So because that made sense to me, I'm adding 30 seconds. Every time I click it, I'm adding 30 seconds. Something else that's really cool is that each pack has a QR code you can scan to get a written out description of each icon. And that description is going to be screen reader friendly. So lots of different icons, lots of different packs, and lots of different color options. That's something else I'm loving about this. The microwave one that I was just showing you is high contrast orange. This is what the team behind HALOS told me is their most popular color, high contrast orange. And that is going to be great for people who are low vision. There's also a multicolor pack, once again, for people that want to do different color options to represent different elements. There is a clear, and this is generally what I go for because my vision isn't good enough to rely on the colors anymore. I'm 100% relying on touch at this point. So I don't need any fancy colors. And in fact, the clear option is a great option for blended households, is what they say. If you, like myself, I live with a sighted person, and she needs to be able to see the buttons on the microwave too. So I go with clear so she can see right through it, but it still has the tactile element that I need. There's also black, and I guess this tends to be pretty popular as well. Hey guys, Editing Sam here. I just wanted to clarify something about the different color options because I don't think I'm explaining it very well in the video here. Most of the packs, if not all of the packs, are available in all the different color options. So if you want to get all your packs in clear, you can do that. If you want to get high contrast yellow and clear and another pack in multicolor, you can do that too. So lots of different color options for all the different packs that are available. Find out more about that, definitely check out the different websites I will include in the video description down below. Okay, now that that's cleared up, back to the video. And then you can even get a keypad pack where it's essentially just round bump dots, but some of them are more pronounced than others. For most of us with vision loss, we are taught to find the bump on the 5. That's called the anchor. Once you find that 5, the bump on the 5, once you find that 5, you can find all the other numbers because it's centralized and all the numbers kind of radiate away from the 5. So you put one of the more pronounced bumps here on the 5 and then regular bumps on all the other keypad numbers, and you're good. Another really cool thing about the HALOS is that they are manufactured, assembled, all of that here in the US, and mostly by visually impaired individuals. So this is a company that's creating a product for the blind and helping to support the employment of the blind. Now, I say that most of the packs have a low price of right around $6, but some of the packs, like this home pack, it's kind of a double pack. It has a lot of icons. And so, of course, that's going to be more expensive. But they're still not bad at all. Have you guys priced out regular bump dots online? They're kind of pricey, especially if you get a big variety pack. So these are fantastic and a great option and offer you much more than just your standard bump dots. So check them out, guys. These are HALOS, HALOS tactile icons. Of course, I will have a link in the video description down below. I'll also pin that link as the top comment in the comments down below the video. A huge thank you to the HALOS team for sending out these packs for me to give away to you guys. Yes, I'm going to be giving away a lot of these packs, so definitely stay tuned to the talkback videos on my YouTube channel. My wife Rachel and I put out a talkback video every single month where we do a giveaway in every single episode, and we're going to be giving away some HALOS tactile icons, so check them out. Once again, I'll have a link to where you can purchase these. They do international shipping, so if you live outside of the US, you will be able to get this. So check out that link down below. Don't forget, guys, if you like this kind of content, please help out the channel by subscribing. A lot of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Remember, it doesn't cost anything. It's totally free, and it just helps out the channel. And so if you're getting benefit from the content that I'm putting out, then do me a favor, help me out as well. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. That helps out tremendously as well. Don't forget to follow me on all the other social medias, including Instagram, TikTok, all of that. And check out the Blind Life podcast, available on all major podcast platforms. Thanks again, guys. Sam with the Blind Life. I will see you next time.